Dymatize Nutrition, Z-Force Review. Description: this product delivers 30 mg of zinc and 415 mg of magnesium per 3 capsules serving. Dymatize is recognized worldwide for providing high-quality sports nutrition for fitness, performance and physique athletes. All products are rigorously tested for quality to ensure that nutritional levels stated on the label are in the bottle. This product is gluten-free and non-GMO. High in vitamins E and C. Non-GMO. Zinc, magnesium and AMP. Vitamin B6. Dietary supplement. 30 servings. Gluten-free. Get Dymatized. Suggested use: take 3 capsules before bedtime. Other ingredients: gelatin, microcrystalline cellulose, magnesium stearate, silicon dioxide, titanium dioxide. Warnings. Contents have settled. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.